Doing a review on this little case for the Hero GoPros. As you can see, it's small, it's nice. The GoPro fits nicely. You have a slot up here. You probably could put your charger or your battery. Another thing that I'm not too happy about it is, make believe if you have the case, it does not fit. If you have one of these skull cases, it does not fit. So this is just for basically your GoPro, and maybe if you want, you could put an extra battery, stuff like that. That's about it. Pretty cool if you're gonna not get into the water or anything, because you know it's nice if this would have fit, but it doesn't. But otherwise, just that. Close it, and that's it. You put it in your pocket, fits well. Good that it won't scratch or anything, but that's about it. Well, YouTube, like and subscribe. I will have more reviews on different products. Thanks.